that block on the running attack. And look at Ortiz looks at the blockers right after it. Kind of disappointed with herself.
It was Vargas who actually got the block on Ortiz.
Great game we're having here on Studio 23. That's a wide serve by Giselle off the timeout. So Rhea Dimaculangan, side out, and a point. 12 serving 16. Giselle jump set. Easily taken. Oh, the net aiding that point.
Caballero faking everyone. Hindi naman niya tinulak yung hinawakan. Just get it across the net.
Patanggenya on your screens. Rhea Dimaculangan. That looked wide too.
I know, yeah.
Sent back for a chance here. Vargas umatras. Sumilip. Dimaculangan saw her take a peek. Rojas, not too much strength behind that. Tunay now comes in and scores a point.
Okay. She had to take a second look. Akala niya umouts na eh. Hindi siya makapaniwala na nag-point eh. Kasi mukhang palabas eh.
Tsaka mukhang may pagka-hot shot pa yung tira niya eh. Good enough. Wow, you know, this lead. Down to 2. Giselle C scrambling. Dimaculangan. Reverse set. Somebody touched the net.
Rojas.
It was Rojas. So just like that, 4 straight points by UST to cut the lead to 1. A little bit of a technical problem with our mic there, but Coach Ness was a little calm in that.
Well, now it's just a 1-point lead with Agno having some difficulties in the reception. Rhea Dimaculangan up to serve. She's been there for the past 3 sequences. Ooh,
Vargas. Agno, C, Vargas again. That's it.
Nice set there coming from Giselle.
So the lead swings to another 2-point lead. 17-15. Tunay a little bit confused where her position is. Good reception. Bagang. Giselle. Oh! Nabitin, ano? Nangyari doon?
Well, napatid yata ng linya.
Oh. Yan ba yung mga excuse mo nung naglalaro?
Ayun o, tamo doon sa linya. Nakita mo naman, di ba?
Ano naman nakaangat yung linya eh.
Napatid sa linya. Minsan may nangyayaring ganun eh, kaya...
Blame the line, sure.
I know.
Oh! Perfect!
Wow.
Quick for Winnet Eulario.
That was the perfect set. Kanina pa nila gustong gawin yun eh. But the previous sets were really low. This one was perfect.
Nagulat yung mga taga-UST, hindi man sila nakahanda.
No UST blocker even attempted.
Correct.
To go up for the block.
So that lead is back to 2. 18 serving 16.
Oh!
Lumaglag. Nakakatawa itong laro na to because the reactions of the players after some lucky shots
that's right.
are priceless.
That's very, very crucial yung serve niya na yun, ano? And that gives FU a 3-point lead with that service ace of Vargas. Now she adjusts the serve.
And it's still a free ball for them with a 3-point lead. C Umatras ng konti, pero pasok pa rin para kay Baniel. Sabi kasi may mga aksidenteng puntos.
That's right.
Kaya kita may approach.
Eulalia was ready. Akin na lang, sabi ni Baniel.
Nakakarami ka na raw.
Ayan, kunin mo yung number ni Jesse. Kailangan natin receive. Kasi hindi pwedeng puro chance ball sa kanila. Jamie, trabaho mo yon. Organize mo, 3 kayong receiver. Okay? Ngayon, nasa kabila ang bola. Balik agad kayo sa block saka sa detensa sa likod. Hindi nyo pinasa isang one iba yung transition natin.
USC behind by 4. They were behind by 5 when they made a run. Hirotsuji is going to come back.
16 now.
You know, I also, going back to the Ateneo game, Coach Mamon did a lot of substituting in that game, and that worked for him also.
That's the final timeout of Coach Mamon. So no more timeouts for UST.
And malayo-layo pa to, 5 points away pa. Etong FEU. Caballero hops. Taken by FEU. Free ball for the Tigresses. And they go to Hirotsuji. Just came in and scores a point.
Against Eulalia and Baniel. The block was too loose. In the middle, late yung habol ni Baniel and Hirotsuji. Fresh from the bench. Scoring right away.
Maria Carmela Tunay. Her first set. Dorado's there. Oh, regalo.
Oh! Back-to-back points for Hirotsuji. Wow, she was all over that ball.
Nobody home.
Wasn't Caballero who did di makulang?
Yung kanina, oh. That's wide and long.
21-18.
I am excited for the next couple of years for UAP volleyball because we have some young talent that are doing so well.
Yes.
You know, the Tunay, Reyes, Elisa Valdez. Of course, you have those rookies from from LaSalle, Galang and Reyes.
Yes. And Reyes.
Such an
very
exciting next few years for UAP volleyball. That girl, Bagang. Oh, off Richelle Bagang, the veteran Caballero. Sigh of relief.
Yes, that's right. She hit it off the block. But she's been trying so hard even from the other end, no? Pero lagi siyang nadidepensa ng FEU. Finally, she said, this time I got the point.
Binati mo kasi.
Finally, I hit it into the net in the serve. Ooh, that just totally negates the coaching staff.
That reaction says it all. Nonchalant.
I know.
Ano pang gagawin mo?
For the ladies'
Bulakenya. When it's Eulalio on deck. 22, serving 19. Good serve. Reyes. Slow reaction there. Inintay rin niya si Baniel na mag-react yata.
Reyes getting it into or through the block. Another close one.
Yep. As we said, top of the coverage. Don't be surprised. 20, serving 22. USC took the first set, by the way, for those who just tuned in. Giselle C. Rojas saw a spot, and Tunay slow to react. That's a 3-point lead. Dangerous times.
Well, Tunay took the scenic route. Umikot muna dun sa kabila. Kumbaga, yung long cut ang kinuha.
She was gonna go behind the blockers, and then iniba ni Rojas yung,
sayang kung hindi, na-diretso niya.
Correct.
Tough serve.
Reyes. Vargas is in front. The dump ball doesn't work. Reyes trying to return the favor.
Right.
Vargas checks the defense. Off speed works off the block, which sets up set point, and the FEU fans behind us outnumbered
And
but definitely not outvoiced.
that's right. FEU relying on their defense. They had a lot of good saves and they converted it, the exchange, into points.
And it's the young Holy Angels University standout on deck serving.
Oh!
Still alive. Reyes sends it over. A chance here for FEU. Sent back. Vargas. Oh, through the block, and we are tied a set apiece. Are you surprised, Doctor?
I knew it was going to go this way. And so far, the fans here in the arena are enjoying their Sunday afternoon.
We are.
Great exchanges, great points from both of these teams.
This season is not running out of drama. 25-23, 25-20, one set all back in a moment.